Guys, we're taking a flight away from Emirates. And then from the Emirates, we're gonna change our flight, inshallah. But yeah, let's go on flight to Emirates. Hi. How are you?
We're fine, thank you. Enjoy your flight.
Thank you very much.
We pay two.
Hi, how are you? What's your number? I think the flight is gonna be empty flight.
9C. Yeah.
Only 28, but it's an empty flight, so I do have to come on and I know. Only 28 I did. I will come back to you guys later.
Mine seat here.
Yeah.
Thank you. Right at the back.
Pay for departure.
يرجى منكم اتباع عند فتح الخزائن لأن قد تكون تحركت خلال الرحلة لفائدة السقوط سبب حدوث إصابات. عند إخلاقكم للطائرة يجب متأكد عدم تأتي مقتنياتكم الشخصية. نود تذكيركم بأن التدخين من الحين وصلت منوعات مخصصة التدخين في أبناء المسافرين.
Thank you. Cheers.
Have a nice week. See you again.
Thank
Bye.
you. Cheers. Wow. Guys, we just landed in Dubai. Inshallah, we want to see. Hi, how are you?
Are you from visiting?
Yeah, well, we're only here for hours.
Oh, what time are you leaving?
6 o'clock in the morning.
Okay, give me your email address. I want to send you
I'll come back.
What's your email address?
I'll come back.
On the way back.
She wants my email address because she will get paid if I give her my email address. It's the data, you know? She needs the data. She needs rich data.
كاميرا هو خطري والله خليك قوة
Trying to get a new SIM card. I already have mine, but trying to see how it works first. Because you know when you come here, they give you a free SIM
Once you will
card.
receive the message, put your date.
This is my free SIM
Birthday.
card. I received it on landing.
Yeah, sure.
So they have a system where they're trying to promote their phones. So let's go and get this man.
Kabayan, kumusta ka? Okay lang, kumusta ka din? Buti. Wala na problema.
So what is the bundle? How much do you have? For this half.
1 gig.
1 gig.
Ah,
1 gig for 1 day, man. Is
one
that?
day, yeah.
Yeah, it's alright for 1 day. What do you guys reckon? 1 gig is alright for 1 day, or
Yeah, permanent number. So if you when your Emirates ID will be released. No worries about it.
So Alhamdulillah, just touched down. Yeah, but we have a 10-hour layover. We want to walk around in Emirates. Inshallah, guys, this is our first view outside. Cara na no hayo. Cara kubaksana na. Hello. Abti kori hoos waa helena abtiyo. Kori hoos waa u jeednaa mugta waa helena. Guys, we just landed, alhamdulillah. Just trying to find a taxi. And as soon as we find that, then we're trying to find a hotel for at least 12 hours. We'll be here for the next 12 hours. And then we're gonna fly back out, inshallah. So, yeah, guys, this is hot. Emirates. Very, very hot. Should we get an Uber? We can get an Uber too.
Wallah.
It's cheaper, huh?
Let's get Uber.
Yeah?